Give me like a few seconds.
You good, man. Take your time.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Top of the morning. What you looking at too?
I want a short.
I never thought I'd hear those words come out of T's mouth.
Just
Well,
looking
different
how
time than when the Bears season.
looking how the 4 hours start closing. Uh, it's like we might have a short today.
Yeah.
Like
Close
drop
below
back
there.
to the 400 zone and buy like 88 down here
Yeah.
on the
Excuse
15
me.
minutes. Yeah, like the 88 down here at like
Oh my gosh. Oh,
480.
480.
Yeah, like down here. Like a little head and shoulder type structure.
Yeah.
But I want to sell this down. I want to see how this thing start closing first.
Yeah. 5 minutes.
this thing is already starting to want to show its hands.
Alright. Here we go. I'm gonna get the retest of the 8-8. See if we can hold there though. Well,
All right. It didn't tap the bottom though. Where I was
no,
at. Okay. Yeah, it's an
you
explode.
know,
I guess the Model 2.
Model 2, yeah.
I was looking for a deeper one.
Honestly, yeah, I thought it would come on the lows of Asia too.
Yeah, it started ripping. I was like, oh, all right. What is it doing?
Let's see. Yeah, 5 minutes, the first 5 minute candle.
Hey,
That closure was kind of strong. It
that
was
was
like,
quick.
it's gotta be down here and then it blew up.
Let's let price do its thing first.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wicking both sides right now on a 15.
Still trying
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see.
to.
Ah, man, looking for the one on the bottom. It didn't come that low. It's okay. All right, price is now starting to react. Just shoots 100 points straight up. All right. You see a push? Push? I was feeling this looking bullish though. Let's see how the stocks, let's say. Just by price action just right now. Oh yeah. Google is a +4, +5, Nvidia is a +2. Might see some uppies.
Excuse me.
Ooh, ooh, what was that?
Look,
Price is black. That was right when what you when you sneeze. That was crazy.
I was about to say I just sneezed.
Quick sneeze, quick sneeze on the buy. That was crazy.
Actually hit the sell button.
Still waiting. Okay. Good mind. Yeah, I have a feeling this might be bullish today. I ain't gonna lie.
Good morning. What's up,
Oh,
fellas?
good morning.
Bro, listen, I never thought I'd say this. T might be right. Boys, it finally happened. Today's the day. I'm admitting it. Buyers might win out. Now, Jacob, if you go to the 5-minute draw fib, there's going to be a quick 88.6 rejection. This is the one, like, no, like little, yeah, right there. Like, I'm going to have to basically between 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. That's the only free time I have today to trade. So I was looking for some scalp opportunities. Wait, hold on. You gotta adjust the low. There we go. Yeah, so as far as scalp opportunities go, basically like a 1 to 2, maybe a 1 to 1.5 R&R. That little like 5-minute 88.6 is probably going to be my best bet. With that being said, this is a scalp trade. Don't overstay your welcome. Basically, as soon as it hits TP1, I'm out. Yeah. Jacob, what are you seeing, bro?
Well, I was peeping those shorts as well. I have my fib drawn a little higher on the 15-minute. Well, honestly, I had it like right here on the 4 hour. Looking at that from this body of the 4 hour right here. But if we retest this wick again, that's the thing. Are we gonna get a double top or
I'll
are
be
we gonna
honest,
break
if
through?
it fills that wick, it's probably going to go a bit higher.
Yeah, that's what I was
Um,
thinking too.
what's the lowest time frame you can go to and have that fib still be accurate? Let's go to like 30-minute and then draw the fib all the way down to like the lowest wick. Yeah, perfect. And then yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right there. So this is what I was looking for earlier, and it never hit the 88.6.
Oh yeah,
But now you see how the 38 is hitting perfectly?
yeah.
Like how many touches did it have on the 38? The 382 all the way at the bottom.
Three, three.
1, 2, 3, right? And then we have the 78.6 that just got rejected. That was the trade that just happened.
Mm-hmm.
So if this thing hits the 88.6 and I see a rejection, I'll probably take a short right there. But what I want to see is like the price going through the 88, running everyone's stops, and then closing back under. But it has to close under like 5-minute or 15-minute. Otherwise, we're probably going to miss the rejection, you know?
Right. Yeah.
So 680. We got another like 30-ish points, which is easy. T, don't let it get to your head, brother. All right. I said you're right.
I'm already in this buy.
What's your price?
675.
70 on Tradeovate?
Yeah,
I'll be the judge of that.
this should just fly up.
Honestly, bro, I agree with you. And as much as it pains me to say this. Price is probably going to just end up booming in the next 20.
Yeah, this thing does look like it's
I'm already in here. Let's get it.
Jacob, make sure his head still fits through the door when he tries to walk out.
Break this top and then we out. Yeah,
Oh,
right there.
listen, boys, I never like to, kind of rub it in your face. How's the weather back in Virginia? Like I would never say something arrogant like, "Oh, damn, the weather here is so much better." I would never say that.
Nice. That's perfect.
You can hear it in my voice.
Brother, me and you both. All right. Dude, to be honest, I'm still planning on taking the scalp.
Yeah.
I'm taking a little partial right here. I have one, only one though. Freaking go.
So I would never tell another man what to do with their account. But personally, I just took my tester entry right now.
Go
And
ahead.
then maybe in the next 10 to 20 points, I'll continue to stack entries for this rejection.
Come on, let's go.
So my first entry is at 24,730 for shorts. My next entry will probably be at 24,750, which is about to hit right now. Okay, second entry is in.
Come on.
And I have just enough ammo for maybe one more entry if it wants to reach up to like 55 or 60 area.
Yeah.
Rejection is already looking good. So as soon as it closes under my first entry, which it just did, I'm going to close my first entry here. Beautiful. So first entry is closed. And now my average entry price is 757 for shorts. I'm going to protect half of this position. Oh, that's way too many contracts. Beautiful rejection over here.
Let's go.
Now buyers are lethal,
Oh.
right?
Smack that. There you go. One more time.
Wait, hold on.
Gosh.
Where's that mute button? Boom. That's what I needed. So TP1 is at 650, which is 100 points away. Realistically, I'm not holding for 100 points. So as soon as we break back under the 88.6, I'll be able to start taking some partial profits. Jacob, do you favor the buy side or the sell side for today? Just like intuition wise.
Mhm.
Like, what does your first gut instinct tell you?
I like the closure below this level right here on this 4 hour. So this retest right here is what I'm really looking for on the shorts. But if we break through here and we break through these,
Mhm.
these bodies, then
Dude, even if we
buys for
close
sure.
above that 88,
Yeah, close above the
Right.
88. Yeah.
but then there's still that retest candle. If that retest candle closes back under, then it's cooked. That's why it's
Yeah.
conditional always. All right. Price is officially in profits here. Maybe about 20 points, 20-ish points. Beautiful. So I've protected the majority of this trade. Oh, and I only have 2 contracts left. They just got to hit and break even. $65. All right. Well, I just put in 2 more entries at 64.
Thanks.
So honestly, I agree with T, which is again just
Yeah,
so
that's good.
painful to say every time. Right? No, but I think buyers are going to
Even if they
ultimately win
close
for the
to
day.
advantage.
But I don't think that like a good system doesn't really like you can be wrong about the directional bias and still make money. Right? So right now, as long as it pushes back under that 88, kind of goes to the nearest fib level, we can still walk away with profits.
Yeah.
but I do agree that buyers are crushing.
Yeah, but it closed. This closed above.
Eh, we'll see what happens, bro. It's
Let's see
still
though.
about
We
20
still
minutes
got. We can still
after the
test some
market
of
open.
these. Again on the higher time frame, I like to sell.
Dude, not gonna lie, I caught those buys last night. You see the double bottom or kind of like that higher low that formed 30
Oh yeah,
minute 1 hour time frame.
yeah.
Yep. And so yeah, right there.
Right.
Yep. It literally if you were to go down to like the 15 or the 5 and draw a fib, it's the perfect 88.6, which is the only reason why I think buyers kind of took back control because you can see them. Yep. Bro, you see that? I think I drew it on the 30 or the 1 hour.
Oh, I might be on the 5.
Yep. Oh, whoa. Oh
There
yeah, right there. That's what it was. Now, yeah, and that's why like if you go back to like the 30 and then you see all the lower lows getting formed, all the lower lows getting formed, and then finally we just kind of shifted that momentum where now we're
we go.
creating higher lows.
Yeah, and then we're retesting here.
Dude, these buyers are absolutely savage right now. But I just entered my last entry at the double top. So I have 5 contracts in. I entered 2 at the bottom, 3 at the top. As soon as it comes back to my first entry around like 7:45, I'll close the first one. So here's me with my fingers crossed, hoping we get that retest. Okay, there we go. Little baby rejection so far. There we go. Need about 10 more points. Oh, 4 more points. And I'm going to close my first entry here. And first entry is officially closed. So now I'm holding an entry at 765. Brilliant. I have 2 contracts left. Let's see what these do. And what I'll do is I'll just trail my stops as it, you know, after this next retest, I'll just end up trailing all the way down. NVIDIA earnings today. Oof, big deal. The biggest topic on Wall Street or in any investment firm has just been like this tech bubble. Are we in a tech bubble or not? And NVIDIA obviously is the #1 leader in technology stocks. So NVIDIA earnings is going to be a big deal. Now, if there's anything we know about earnings, they're all cooked. Here's the playbook. If you guys ever start a Fortune 500 company, set the expectations low in the analyst kind of expectations. And then whatever happens on the actual release, you look like a genius because you set the bar so low for yourself that you could literally walk up the stage and breathe and make like $2 and you look like a genius. So I don't really put too much weight in the earnings reports, but they are the #1 driver of volume besides FOMC meetings. All right, buyers are fully taking over right now. I'm not going to close those 2 contracts. I'm actually going to hold for a second to see if we get a retest. That way I can close in profits.
Oh yeah, they're eating.
Yeah, they're eating for sure. But as soon as like if it comes back down for just like 20 more points, I can close out in profits or in break even. But it kind of looks like it's ripping. Patience pays. Oof, that's ugly. It's an ugly candle.
Yeah.
No, just give it 5 to 10 more minutes. I mean, buyers are obviously in control, but let's see if we can at least get a retest here to de-risk this trade. Maybe. Nope, not this one. All right. Nope.
Oh man.
Oof. Brutal.
Yeah.
All right, I'm closed out. I'm out.
That was a
Might have been a little premature on the closure. There's probably going to be a retest here at the 88.6, but I'll leave that for somebody else.
yeah,
Like
that
there's
thing
potential.
missile.
It's right at my 88.6 from the 15 minute. But with this bullish momentum, it's a little risky. So um
And it's like
honestly,
right at the top too, you know.
dude, I'm gonna take one more entry. I'm taking two contracts right now. Entry is at 832. I know it's very risky with this bullish momentum, but we're right at the 88.6. And typically when price is just rushing towards a liquidity zone like this, it does that because it's about to go for a potential correction. So my entry is at 832. Oh my God, this thing's brutal. All right, yeah. Ah, maybe that was wishful thinking.
Yeah, no, this candle is looking it is looking crazy. It's
Hold on,
eating up
give it some
all of
time.
this.
Give it a second. Give it a second.
Yeah. This is the top of the 4 hour too.
We just can't overstay our welcome here. If we get this rejection over here, we got to take advantage. So my entry is now at 836 or 836. And really looking just for a push, maybe 30 points, and then jumping out. I'm gonna take partials along the way.
Yeah, deep risk.
Yes, sir. This is so ugly. What I would do, Jacob, is I would move the fib to the higher. Yep, right there. You see it.
Okay.
Yep. You see where the resistance turns to support? Point to the
Oh yeah.
wick on the left. Yep.
Yeah.
Support turns to resistance. That's the top of the Wyckoff range. You see how the 61 is lining up perfectly, and the 38 fib is lining up perfectly. Go
Hmm.
to the right. Go to the right.
Oh yeah, yeah. Right here.
No, no, all the way to the right.
So,
To the right. Yeah, right there. So you see the
oh
38 fib, but you see the range that it formed,
yeah.
right? So like this one kind of makes a little sense of why it's just kind of rushing to liquidity. So that might be the price range that it rushes to, but that's why we put in testers first. And if it does make it to a higher range, then you can at least kind of enter again. I'm still in the trade
Yeah,
with
this is
four contracts.
yeah, I'm holding one. I'm still holding this one contract.
Beautiful. I know it's looking very aggressive, but I have a feeling that we can at least get a correction here before it continues to pop.
Yeah.
Not that feelings are like the defining factor here, but a little drop never hurt nobody. Give it a second. There we go. Oh no, come on now. That's so rude. We got 3 minutes until the hour candle closes. Let's see if it continues to rip, or at least we get a pullback so we can de-risk this trade. Let's see how generous NASDAQ is today.
Let's see.
That's so rude.
Really.
With 3 minutes on the clock. Oh man, so rude. Now I still have my stop loss is still about 30 points away, which is really ugly. Oof. I don't know why I'm tempted to enter to enter one more.
Because it's gone up so fast. So
I
it's
know.
gotta be a retest.
The hardest trades are the best,
Yeah.
but I'm already at two losses. This is gonna be my last one. Let me see. Where's that higher fib? Move the fib up right here. I'm gonna enter one last short right here at 890. This is gonna be my last trade of the day. Three losses, I call it quits. My entry is gonna be at 890 right here. I'm putting four contracts, and it's only about a 25 to 30 point stop.
Yeah. It's these highs right here.
Yep. Okay. Nice little rejection so far. All right. Beautiful rejection so far. Let's see if we get a follow through here. My entry's at 890 here. Just looking for this little correction, maybe about 40, 50 points down. So it's a 2-to-1 R&R. And let's see if we at least get this correction here. Damn. All right, 10 a.m. candle just, or the 9 a.m. candle just closed. We have a fresh hourly candle. Let's see if this one provides us the retest that we're looking for. Maybe in the next 10 to 15 minutes, we'll either have a break through the daily range or this correction back down to the lows. You know, so the direction of the first breakout is usually the direction of the day for the buys. Good call. Smart man. John, did you end up closing with partials, with profits, or break even, or what happened? Price is really dancing around my stop loss here, but I'm up, call it 15 to 20 points away from my stop loss. Ouch. Now I'm 15 points away. Come on now, don't be rude.
No, it's in one candle. Give us one retest.
I know, bro, but it's not looking likely. I'm gonna be honest. It's
Yeah.
looking real savage. It
Yeah, the
hasn't
hourly
broken.
closer is looking
Exactly.
savage.
Now it hasn't closed above just yet, so I can't like, you know what I'm saying? I can't close it in good conscience. But my God, is it testing it? Is
This is
it
what
testing
yeah,
it
it's
beautiful?
what they're playing right here. Like they gotta like I would have honestly if it's gonna push through, I would have rather this just close above before. Now we gotta play right.
I know,
That's
but that's the game. Because if it
right.
doesn't get enough people to like just keep getting in and out, there's not enough liquidity for them to move the market. So they have to keep playing. It'll test
Exactly.
these prices 3, 4, 5 times, keep doing the same moves just to make sure that enough people keep losing money. That's why risk management is key.
Hmm.
Because we will all lose. It's part of the game. How much you lose, that's a function of your discipline and Let's say impulse control.
That's facts.
Oof. And this is a perfect example today of why risk management is key.
Dude,
All right, I'm out.
yeah.
So if you really look at it, the buys over London session were kind of the prime move. The 88.6 shorts this morning. If you guys took that scalp on like the 5 minute that we took, if you protected your trade, we actually walked away with profits on that one. So there were a lot of opportunities, and then this one just happens to be a loss. Risk management says if you guys risked the same amount on all these trades, you'd have walked away profitable. If you were risking a little bit different on each one, you never know which trade is going to be the winner or the loser. So you might just end up, kind of over leveraging on a loser and then kind of under risking on a winner. Treat every trade the same. Risk management is your priority, and the market is obviously going to do whatever it wants to do. But Jacob, I always like to say, sometimes I'm not wrong, I'm just early. So maybe I'll get vindicated later.
Right. Yeah, that
All right,
move's gonna
boys. I have a meeting in 6 minutes. I'm gonna prep real quick. Don't overtrade, don't catch a falling knife, and don't trade against the trend. If the market gives a really nice rejection, wait for the retest. If the momentum is bullish, then just wait for the correction in the PM session. You are not obligated to trade. You are obligated to follow your plans and your risk management, people. Jacob, you're crushing it. Everybody else on the squad, shout out to you guys for taking this skill set seriously. But again, if you don't make the right decisions, one good decision a day, then all the education, all the learning, none of it counts. You don't get paid to learn, you get paid to make one good choice. All right? So make that choice today. Let today be the day that you guys start the journey to your profitable trading. I mean, everyone here is a chart addict, so y'all already winning. Everybody else, we'll see you guys on the next stream. Jacob, keep crushing it. T, that's the last time I'm gonna say you're right. Shit felt like eating fucking battery acid. No, I love you, bro. It's like, nah, I'm fucking around with you. I hope you guys know this is all
All right, bro.
sarcasm.